glasses. There you go. That's a good one.
He says, I know what I wanted.
What's his name?
Oh, I was gonna come over there.
I'd be easier with scissors.
Can we go grab those utility ones?
Yeah.
That way you won't have a chance to check yourself.
Oh, it didn't seem to want to go through the tire-ups. Oh, thanks, Scott.
Sure.
That was lovely.
Yeah.
Dad.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Alrighty.
We gotta get everything that's going on.
Hey guys, look.
yeah.
Oh, yes, very
My
stylish.
brother wants his glasses back.
Only if you wear them.
Whoa, careful, Steve.
I was putting them on him.
There we go.
Be careful with it, kid.
You got a good hold on him, too?
Cedar!
Right here, baby.
Over there. Cedar! Cedar!
Guys, I'm under the blankets.
Oh, no.
Don't drag
Not a
it.
toy.
Hey, Grandma, look.
Let's save that, Sid. We gotta save it for tomorrow. We can't ruin that one. Keep that nice and pretty.
Okay, let's tear it.
No.
No, that's not keeping it nice and pretty. What's keeping it nice and pretty?
There
you go.
Getting it in my green yellow on.
I would say keeping
Thanks,
it flat
Mom.
on the sleeve
Wow.
would be better.
Yay!
Pretty nifty, Cedar.
Sydney, you're going to spill drinks if you wiggle that too much.
Cedar, waiter, yeah! Cedar, can I talk?
Is your trash inside your garage?
No, it's just, I think it's just in the garage when we clean it up.
You speak, I'll play. Green, blue, green. Yellow, the green, red, green. Here, the bluebird sings. 1, 2, 3,
Oh, some places are ahead.
4, 5. 1. I'm the dog. Let's join the animals and count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Here. 1, 2, 3. The green ready. Join the animals. Let's make a song. Let's rock. Let's rock.
Yeah.
Guys,
Yes?
I think it's time for birthday cake.
What? I don't think so.
I think so.
I think it's another 2 hours away.
Oh, I think we should wait till tomorrow.
I think we should wait till tomorrow.
No, we'll do it today. Right, Mom?
Here we go.
I
Your
will take
bedtime.
the birthday cake. Today is the birthday cake.
Can we give her a bedtime?
Sydney, I think Janae has to have a nap.
Here, look. Look, Cedar.
Mom, I really
He liked
really
looking
want
at himself.
birthday cake.
Hey, you.
Everybody ready?
I know what you're going for.
Everybody, ready for birthday cake? Ready for birthday cake, everybody?
No.
Let's make a song.
Jared, he's doing a valiant effort.
Yeah.
Wow.
Did you figure that out?
Why don't you run up and get a blanket that we can put him on the grass with his toys?
Cedar, can I try?
What about your big blue blanket?
He's doing it right now.
Sydney, your big blue blanket from Daddy's work?
Jared, I think he needs just
No,
a
but
little
we
help.
can do my big Care Bear blanket.
Okay.
Let's make a song.
Have you got music in them bones?
Want to dance with me? Dump your feet.
Whoa, you did it.
What are you doing, Janae?
Let's
I
make
didn't
a
realize that you
song.
had a green waste trash can.
Oh.
There's some little plastic pieces at the bottom.
Whoever wants to help me spread this blanket out, raise their hands.
For what?
For Cedar.
Oh, I do.
Okay. Janae?
Should we do it over here more?
Yeah.
Let's go over here where there's more room.
Well, not over where the poop's at.
Yeah, let's...
Let's stay away from the poop.